Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 deep condition that I use on my natural hair that has helped in terms of my hair growth. Okay, if you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So you can use this deep condition every month, okay, once every month, just to balance your HP, like your just to balance your hair. This one is kind of moisturizing deep condition. Okay, you can use this on your hair. I use this on my hair when I lose my hair. I use it to detangle, moisturize and get my hair back prepped for my new braids. Okay, so this is the deep condition I'm using. The ingredients are so amazing. There is flaxseed inside, there's fenugreek seed inside, there's rosemary, cloves, you understand, and I also added my honey and mayonnaise inside. Okay, so this is so amazing. You can use this on your hair and your hair will grow, it will bounce back. Okay, like this deep condition, this particular one is top notch. So this is the second deep condition I'll be using. Okay, this is Avidevic deep condition. All right, so I have Avidevic spices inside here. So the next thing I'm going to add is this my moringa deep condition. All right, this anti-breakage deep condition. So I'm going to add it inside these Avidevic spices. Inside here I have a lot of amazing ingredients. Okay, so you can use this once in a month. So that is why I said the 4 deep condition I'm showing you all is what I use once in a month. Okay, so I'm adding pure almond oil inside. Almond oil has unique benefit for hair growth. Okay, so I added that inside the deep condition and I make sure I mix everything together. Then I apply this on my braided hair. Okay, even if your hair is not braided, you can still use it on your hair that is not braided. So you guys know that I'm on mini braids challenge for 2 months, so I always do all these treatments on my hair on braid. So I washed my hair previously, and anytime I want to do a deep condition, I have to spray warm water on my hair so that when I'm applying my deep condition, they can penetrate more faster and well on my hair. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am putting in my warm water, then I will start with the application method. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. So a well-detailed tutorial about all these ingredients I used in this video. I am going to be linking the video of each of these ones. Okay, I'm going to be linking it in my description box, or you can check it in the card. All right, you can do well to check them out, how the benefits, what I used. So I just compiled this video because I promise you all that I will show you guys the four deep condition I always use on my hair each month. So this is the deep condition I use on my hair each month. So I hope you enjoy it. So this is deep condition number 3, which is egg. Okay, egg is really good. Egg has lots of amazing benefits for our hair. I got a message on my a beautiful subscriber was asking me, are you sure egg has amazing benefits? Yes, egg has amazing benefits for your hair growth. Okay, it's gonna help you to protect your hair. If your hair is dry, you want your hair to bounce back, use egg. Okay, like initially before I said this braiding challenge, my hair was really bad. Okay, if you're an OG, you will know. So I always use egg treatment on my hair as well. I don't do a video every time I'm putting egg treatment on my hair. So when I know that it's time for, when I notice that my hair is becoming too dry and I need to give its own protein, okay, I know that okay, I need to do an egg deep condition. I do it. All right, so it's not every time I post all the treatment that I use on my hair. It's not every time I post it on my channel. Okay, like this should be like my maybe second or third egg treatment I've posted on this channel. Okay, I do egg treatment on my hair, all right, so because it helps in balancing my hair. You know, you need to do protein treatment, you need to have moisture treatment, you need to have hydrating treatment, you know, you need to have different treatment for your hair, because our hair needs different things. Just like how we eat different food, that's how our hair needs different food. Okay, so and when you keep on eating that particular thing, your hair will get used to it. So these are the things I do on my hair. Okay, so this is an egg treatment which is already in the channel. I have done a full video about it. You can do well to check it out. So I'm using it on my hair. I use it either my hair is braided or my hair is normal. I use it on my hair. When I know that my hair needs that egg, I need to go with egg. Okay, so you can add other protein inside it, like banana, like mayonnaise, you know, you can add other stuff inside, but this one I only use egg and oil. And you can check the video out to know how many oils I use. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair and allow it to sit. This sits on my hair for like 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I rinse out. Then I follow up with my normal condition when rinsing it out. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. Then I rinse it out and I follow up with my normal condition, and that's it, guys. So we're heading to the next treatment. This is okra. Okay, as I said, I don't really use okra all the time, but when I know that my hair needs okra, I use it. Okay, either I use okra or I use only flaxseed gel, that is the jelly part of the flaxseed. Okay, but for this deep condition I'm using okra. After the okra is boiled, I cut my okra, boil it. After it's boiled, I blend it and I add oil inside, and this is me applying it on my hair. This is going to hydrate your hair. Like when you use okra as a detangler, as a deep condition, the hydration it gives is 100/100. Okay, it's 100/100. Okra can be messy, but it gives a very fine defined result. All right, so if my hair was not in braided state and I put the okra on my natural hair, the coils that you will see, like all my hairs will be coiling, even as my hair is normal foxy kinky hair. Okay, so but you see a lot of coils. That is why I love okra, but I don't use it all the time, because why? It's so messy. Okay, so if you don't have any problem or any issue with the messiness, you should use okra on your hair. Okay, because the coils and the hydration it gives you is 100%. Okay, and it also helps in terms of hair growth as well. So as you can see, I'm just applying it on my braided hair, then after that I will rinse it out. So even as I applied it on my braided hair, the tips of my hair is not 100% braided. You will see that there is coils on it. Like, your okra is so amazing. Okay, but I just like to substitute it for so basically this is how my hair looks like. I have finished applying everything on my hair and it's all slimy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I just compile 4 deep condition that you need to try. Okay, you need to try this deep condition. Your hair is going to love it and your hair is going to grow. So I hope you enjoy it with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You can leave this on your hair for like 45 minutes thereabout, or 1 hour depending on you, and when you rinse it out, oh my goodness, your hair is going to look amazing. So I'll see you all in my next video. Please stay subscribed for more amazing content like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.